Hello everyone, my name is With, a creator of a Dev channel. And today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove a specific layers from the colliderMask by the script. You can apply it to move down the platform or move through something. Here is my simple scene, which has a ground layer and a platform layer. The player has a simple movement script to control the player movement. And then I'm gonna add rigid body 2D to the player. I will change gravity scale to 1.6 and then check phase rotation. And then add box collider 2D, check use by effector. And then add platform effector 2D, uncheck use one way. And then you see you can change the collider mask in the inspector. But in this video, I'm gonna change it by the script. Create new C# script. I will name it config colliderMask. You can name it anything you want. Here I will delete a start function. I'm gonna create new variable public in collision layer to tell the program that the index of the layer you want to add or remove. And then I will create new function called doAddMask. In this function, I'm gonna add the collision layer to the player. I will create new variable game object called geo equal to this game object, and then check if this game object equal to null or not. If it's null, it's gonna return. I'm gonna create new variable platform effector 2D as PE equal to GameObject.getComponent. I'm gonna get platform effector 2D of this game object, and then check if this game object has a platform effector 2D or not. If it has, I will add a collision layer to this colliderMask with this syntax. If you want to know more about this, you're gonna find bitwise operator. You might get something. And then I will create another function called doRemoveMask. On the add function, I will use or, but in doRemoveMask, I'm gonna use and not. If you want to check your function work or not, I'm gonna print debug.log and then print add on the add function and print the remove in the remove function. When you have a function, you need to call it. I will write in the update function if input.getKeyDown keycode.s means the key s is pressed. If it's pressed, I'm gonna call doRemoveMask and then check else if input.getKeyUp keycode.s means when you release the key s, I'm gonna call doAddMask. To recap, I will define a collision layer variable for the index of the layer, and then in the update function, if you press a key s, it will call doRemoveMask, and then if you release the key, it will call doAddMask. In the doAddMask function, you're gonna use bitwise or, and then doRemoveMask, you're gonna use bitwise and not. Then down the config colliderMask script to the player, and then you're gonna assign collision layer to the script. In this case, I'm gonna remove and add a platform layer, which are the index 12. Go back to the player and then assign 12 to the collision layer, and then test it. I can jump to the platform, and then when I press the S key, the remove function will get called to allow me to move down the platform, and then when I release the S key, the add function will get called. See? It's work. You can apply it by moving through the platform or move through something. This is my first video that I'm speaking and teaching in English. I'm waiting your feedback. If you got any question, you can leave it in the comment. I will reply you as soon as possible. If you want the asset that I used in this video, just follow in the description. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.